In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a day trading indicator to trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. This indicator is based in market sessions and volume profiles. The good thing about this indicator is that it's pretty simple and very straightforward, so you can use it even if you are a beginner or you are an experienced trader. To add this indicator into your TradingView chart, you need to go to the Indicators tab here and type Market Sessions and Volume Profile. And you can see here Market Sessions and Volume Profile by Leviathan Capital. Shout out from here to Leviathan Capital for making this indicator. And you add it to your favorites, and then you add it to your chart. I have already added this indicator. And the first thing that we are going to do is go to the settings of this indicator, because we need to change a little bit of things. So the first thing that I want to choose here is that you can choose between showing the actual market sessions, okay? So you can switch from the Tokyo session to the London session to the New York session, okay? If you trade based on your sessions, okay, just in your sessions. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to use the daily session type, okay? The daily session type is most for day trading, for day trading positions. So it will be positions that you open in one day and you close it the same day. But if you want to use this indicator from a more like a swing trading standpoint, you want to switch the style to swing trading, you can use the weekly session, okay, and the monthly. Also, you can use the quarterly and the yearly, but I'm not going to advise you to use that because it's very high time frames, okay? So, but for the sake of this video, we are going to use the daily sessions because, as I said before, it's better for day trading, okay? But you also have to know that you can use it for swing trading if you switch the sessions here. Also, you want to have enabled all these options that I have here, okay? The VAH and the VAL, the POC is very important, okay? The session box also, the live zone, and the session labels, okay? And also, other important thing is that you need to switch the value alia volume to 68%, because by default it comes by 70%, but usually I tend to use, and I prefer to use, the 68% value alia volume, okay? And all the other settings are these ones, okay? Also, it's very important to use volume instead of open interest, because the volume profile we want to be based on the volume. But if you want to use it based on open interest, you can also switch it, and this data will change, okay? But I like to use it based on volume, okay? So we click OK here, and now we are ready to use our indicator. So the first thing that you need to know is that the red line here, this red line here, is the POC, is the point of control of the volume profile, of the daily volume profile. So here you see this box, okay, that is embracing the daily session that Bitcoin has traded, okay? For example, today we are near to the close, okay? So we see that the Bitcoin price has traded inside of this box. Inside of this box, the daily box, that the price has moved since the lower week, the swing low and the swing high, okay? We find the volume profile, okay? This is the volume profile. We have the buying volume or the bullish volume in green, and the selling volume or the bearish volume in red. And as I was saying before, we have the POC, that is this line, this red line. You can change the colors here, as you can see here, the POC in my case is red, and the VAH and the VAL are blue, okay? But you can change it, whatever your preference is. Also here you can change the volume, the bearish and the bullish volume, okay? But as I was saying, you have here the POC. The POC is the most important point of the volume profile, because it's the highest node of trading volume that we can find in the daily session, or on the period that we are analyzing in the volume profile, with the volume profile indicator. So basically, the POC, what it tends to act is as an SR, so support and resistance level. So now we are trading the 15-minute time frames, and you need to know, this is very important, I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video, but it's very important that this indicator, his most accuracy and his most usability is in the 5-minute time frame, okay, and in the 15-minute time frame. You can just also use it in the 30-minute time frame, but I advise to use it in the 15-minute time frame or in the 5-minute time frame. For the sake of this video, we can switch between 5 minutes or 15 minutes, but as I was saying, the POC, turning back into the POC, into this red line of the indicator, is often acts as support and resistance levels, as supply and demand level, okay? So as you can see here, when the price approaches the POC, it got rejected, okay? And then every time that we flip to the upside to the POC, it turns to a bullish. Then when we retest the POC and it breaks, the trend usually stays bearish, okay? And also when we broke the POC to the upside, for example here, we broke this day, 3 days after, we broke the POC to the upside, okay? And then the trend was remaining bullish, okay? Also here, when we broke down the POC to the downside, we can assume that the market will be bearish. And when the price is above, okay, the POC, we can assume that the price will be acting bullish, okay? So basically, the whole trading strategy is based on the POC and the high volume nodes, okay? But also you can see here, for example, the VHL, the value area low, is the point of most importance of this high area node, okay? So here you can expect that this VHL, the value area low, that is this blue line here, will act also as an SR, okay? As support and resistance level. And also the VAH, the value area high, okay, will act also as resistance, okay, because it's the highest point. This is the lowest point and the highest point of importance of the 68% highest volume that has traded in this session. Because as you remember, we changed this to 68 instead of 70, okay? So this area is showing you between these two blue lines where the 68% of the maximum volume has traded in this daily session. Again, here was inside of this range here. So basically what this leaves you is with a point of higher importance, and here we leave you, this indicator leaves you with a range. So basically this indicator what is doing is oversimplifying the price action during the day of Bitcoin in the 15-minute time frame, and is leaving you with a range. So if you are in the upper part of the range and we are retesting and breaking down the POC, you can enter very confidently, okay, a short position here and taking profit to the value area low or below the value area low. Instead, for example, if we see that the price action is bullish and then we broke to the upside, we test, pullback, and then retest, and then break to the upside the POC, and we are coming from a previous bullish price action, we can enter very confidently here a long position, okay? So basically this indicator what is doing is oversimplifying price action, as I told you before, and leaving you with ranges with a value area high, a value area low, and a POC. And as I said before, the area that is most important on this indicator is the POC, the point of control, because it often acts as support and resistance, strong support and strong resistance level. So you need, what I like to do is to use it to enter my trade. So if I see that the price is breaking to the upside, to the POC, I will enter along. And if I see that the POC is being retested, as here, okay, and the price action is constantly making lower highs, and higher lows, okay, I will enter a short very confidently, because this tells me that this session, this daily session, we were ranging, and then we are bearish, okay, for the whole day, for the whole session. Then again here, ranging, then it broke to the upside, okay, this was a false signal in this case, but then the price remains bearish. So we can assume that for today the price will be bearish, okay, till the next session, till the next day, okay. So basically this is the indicator, the day trading indicator that I showing you in this video. Very useful if you are a beginner trader, because as I said before, it over simplifies a lot the price action of the asset. And also, as I was saying before, you can use, I encourage you to use the POC to enter your trades because it's the point of higher importance, the point of control. But you can also use the VAL and the VAH, okay? Because oftentimes, as I said before in the beginning of the video, these VAH and VAL levels act also as support and resistance levels. So if we see that the price is finding resistance at the VAL, at the value area low of the 68%, we can also take a long here, okay? Because we are in the lowest high volume node on the 68% trading volume of this session. So you can take a long here, okay? You can take a long from here, okay? And you see that the price, oftentimes the VAL, the value area low, acts as support level, okay? Here we can enter a long, okay? And close it in the next POC day or in the next VAL, okay? So, and also in the opposite side, we can find that the VAH, the value area high, will act as resistance every time that we try to retest this value area high, value area high, value area high. You can see that the price stall. You see test pullback, test pullback, test pullback, okay? So the VAH will act as resistance, the VAL will act often as support, and the POC will be like a flipping point from SR to support to resistance to resistance to support, okay? And you can both use the VAH to enter short trades, the VAL to enter long trades, and the POC to enter short and long trades, depending on the price action, okay? So that's it for today for the video. If you like the video and you find it useful for your trading strategy, please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. And also you can find me on Twitter, where I post my daily analysis on the crypto market. I post many trading ideas, oftentimes profitable ones, okay? There is a lot of people that is benefiting from these trading signals that I offer in my Twitter or X account for free. And also you can follow me on Instagram and on Rumble, when I upload the same videos that you can find here on YouTube, but I have them there as a backup. So thank you for your time, and we'll see you in the next video.